What's up, everyone? It's Die Hard Crypto here again, and on this video, we're going to be talking about ENS, which is the Ethereum name service. So we almost have been asking ourselves, oh, why is this coin going on? Why is this coin booming? Why is this coin? Guys. As of yesterday, I saw this coin at $41, guys. $41. But look at the coin now. This is not even its current price. It's at $71 because I just checked not long ago before I came. Approximately $71, guys. And this coin has a potential of getting to $500, guys. I'm being serious right here, guys. Without further ado, let's try to know about this ENS, guys. Let's try to know about this ENS. I'm using what's known as CoinMarketCap, guys. CoinMarketCap. It's an app. You can get it through their website at coinmarketcap.com, I guess. So on the app, let's go through this coin. As of now, the market cap for this coin is $1 billion, guys. $1 billion, guys. And it has a very good volume. That's a very good volume, as so I can see. The circulation supply, guys, should listen right here. The circulation supply right now is just 14.57 million, guys. Approximately 14,570 million of these coins, guys. Of this coin out of 100 million supply. So right now, the 100 million isn't in circulation. By the time this approximately 50 million should everyone owns this 50 million, and this 50 million people, and there is high demand for more of this coin, guys, then they can supply more out of this 100 million coins, guys, for people, which is trying to tell us that this coin is going to get to approximately, let me say, $200 before January, guy. That's my prediction for this coin, guy. Let us get to know more about this coin. Let's get to know more about this coin. The Ethereum name service is a distributed, open, and extensible naming system based on the Ethereum blockchain, guys. ENS job is to map human readable names like alice.eth to machine readable identifiers such as Ethereum addresses, other cryptocurrency addresses, content hashes, and metadata. ENS also supports reverse resolution, making it possible to associate metadata such as canonical names or interface description with Ethereum addresses. ENS has a similar goal to DNS, the Internet Domain Name Service, but has significantly different architecture due to the capabilities and constraints provided by the Ethereum blockchain. Like DNS, ENS, you all know about ENS, guys, operate on a system of dot-separated hierarchical name called domains, with the owner of a domain having full control over subdomains, guys. So I think there is an airdrop for this coin going on. You all should go check it out on their link. This is their link, ens.domains. So let's head straight to the domain, guys. So guys, this is the domain, guys. You can claim your ENS and participate in ENS governance, guys. Decentralized naming for wallet, website, and more, guys. So okay, it has an app. I actually I tried participating to claim my ENS, but I couldn't claim it, guys. I wasn't eligible to claim. As of now, there are 160,000 owners of this coin, guys. 160,000 owners of these coins, guys. Okay, I can see. All right, guys, so I can see you can actually claim yours if you have Mew wallet. I think that is, let me check it, guys. Let me check it. Mew wallet, yeah, Mew wallet, guys. If you got Mew wallet, you can actually claim it. Yep. So yeah, this is you can follow them on Twitter at ens.eth, ens.eth, guys. ENS.eth, guys. So I would advise you guys to go for this coin. It's not a financial advice. Once more, guys, it's not a financial advice. You all can go for this coin whenever. Let us check for the exchange, guys. The exchange for this exchange where you can get this coin. You can get this coin. I think you can get it at Sushi. I haven't bagged any yet. Probably I will bag some when it has kind of dipped. On Sushi Swap. Sorry, Uniswap. Sushi. Yep, Sushi beats through Binance. It's on Binance right now, guys. It's on Binance. AEX, big one. Mexi, ZT, Bybit too, guys. Bybit, guys. On Dodo, you can get Dodo through Trust Wallet, guys. When you download Trust Wallet, you can get Dodo, guys. This coin is actually going to go so parabolic this season, because this is the Ethereum season, guys. I know what that means. On the 4 hours candle, guys, this is it on the trading view. It's been going up oh my goodness, guys. Now it's at $75, guys. $75.19. Oh my god, $75. 39 cents, 50 cents, guys. This coin is something else, guys. This coin is something else. I advise you guys to go right now and get this coin, guys. Go right now and get this coin. All right, guys. Have a good day. I'll keep